ISO is one of the parameters that controls the exposure. Auto ISO is very handy in some occasions. Hi, I am Peter Forsgaard, an Olympus visionary from Helsinki, Finland. Most of the times I make photos with fixed ISO and I control the exposure with shutter speed and aperture only. Auto ISO is very handy though when making pictures in a venue, for example. You might be photographing indoors and outdoors and you're quickly going back and forth in and out. It makes the photographing a lot easier if you don't have to worry about the ISO at all. Of course, you will want to have the lowest possible ISO in both spaces. Indoors it might be 3200 and outdoors 200 ISO. Another situation is when making photographs on manual mode and having the ISO on auto. This is the situation where you want to have consistent depth of field and consistent shutter speed. The range of auto ISO can be set from the menu. This is from EM1 Mark II. You can find it in the custom menu E1. You can set the highest ISO value the camera will go and the lowest, which is called default ISO. And there is a link in the description where you can find the way it's set in your Olympus camera. My recommendations are set the highest ISO to 6400 and the default to 200. In the EM1 Mark II you can also set the lowest shutter speed, after which the ISO will start to get higher. If you cannot set auto ISO in manual mode, check ISO auto from the menu. Set it to all. Now the problem is solved. The only negative side of using ISO auto is the difference in noise and the dynamics. With higher ISO you get more noise and dynamics gets lower. This was the 7th episode on my series of videos using Olympus. After you have subscribed to my channel, then watch the previous episodes if you haven't seen them yet. Thanks for watching and bye for now.